Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're out metal detecting again. This time I'm using the White's Classic SL metal detector. My wife back here is using the Garrett Ace 350 that I used in the last video. We're actually here at the parking lot for the fairgrounds here at our local town, and we're going to metal detect here to see if anybody dropped anything while they were getting in and out of their cars. I think this will be a good spot because during the fairgrounds time it gets pretty soggy and people lose stuff. So we're going to swing around for a while and see what we find. Let's go. Alright, so I got my first target right there. Let's see what we find. Oh, I found it. Ah. It's an old nickel. I found a nickel. All right, now we'll fill this hole back in. Cool. Target number 2. Oh shit. Two coins, 1 and 2. I found a double coin. Come here. 1 coin, 2 coin. That's pretty cool. Either that or I think, guys, check this out. There's the coin. I think this is actually an impression of that coin. I think if we go across it, yep, it's just an impression. Foil. Check the hole. That's it. There's my honey over there. We're gonna work towards her. So I don't know if it's a coin or something. It's probably a piece of trash. So see, we cut a circle around where we think it is, and this is called a plug. This allows me to take out a piece of ground like that, and then I can scan what I took out and what I did. And see, now the noise is coming from there, so we know it's in that. So then I'll take this over here, I'll knock off a layer. Still signaling, so we'll cut off another half of it. Something in there. Split it in half. Oh, see, a piece of foil. Foil! I got foiled!
What is it? Wonder what it is. What's the register?
That's a good solid penny reading. Ooh, yay! My first quarter.
Awesome! It's 25 times as cool as a penny.
I just got a quarter. There you go.
I don't know.
There, scan over the area.
Oh, penny.
Yeah,
We dropped it.
penny.
I dropped it while I was digging. Oh, here I'm like videoing this whole struggle.
Yeah.
Okay, it looks kind of old.
That's awesome, baby. Good job.
Can't even see the face. See the back
Awesome.
fin.
Great job, baby. High five. That sounds like
I know, it's bumping in the Iron Range. I'm just looking at the reading.
these little small chirps I get, but they don't like really register. I'm not really worrying about these. Those seem to be the fake holes. She's showing up as a possible penny, but oh. Whoa. It's a concave penny, look.
It's been smashed.
Like it's like concaved.
Whoa, I wonder if there was like a rock under.
Another penny. So that's giving a pretty solid reading for a quarter. Let's see what's there. It's in the clod. Oh, another quarter. Quarter. My baby's good at finding fence posts. Yeah. Good job, baby. Fence post. Woo! What'd you find, baby?
A broken clip.
Nice. We're rich. Woo! Don't have to work no more because we got a broken clip. Oh, there it is. It's another penny. So that was a lot of fun. My wife and I worked around out here for a while. I think we were here for a couple of hours at least. Let's see what we found. So this is the stuff that I found. Found some bottle caps, some tin foils and a pull tab, but I found 3 pennies, 2 quarters, and I think this is a plug for an electrical outlet. Usually on the sides there are little plates that you can punch off, and I think that's what that is. This is what my wife found. She found a couple pennies, her first pennies. She found some scrap metal and a little buckle. Found a piece of leather, I think that's from when they were doing the rodeo. And we got a nice bag of trash. I think that's a bag of dog shit. So today we used the Garrett Ace 350. My wife really liked that. And I used the classic 1DX from White's. And I really liked this metal detector. I'm looking forward to using that a lot more. So thank you everyone for joining us today on this adventure. I had a lot of fun coming out here with my wife and kiddo and doing some adventuring. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Until then, hit the like button, subscribe down below, and a new video will be coming out soon. Bye.